Farmers Auto Insurance App. The pros, the cons. The Farmers Auto Insurance app is designed to put your insurance experience in your pocket, but most people get this wrong if they think it's just for viewing it cards. This app allows you to manage your policies, handle claims, and stay informed about your coverage anytime, anywhere. On the pros side, you can quickly access policy details, pay bills, and download digital IT cards. Filing claims is simple with photo uploads, and you can monitor progress in real time. The app also offers roadside assistance requests and personalized notifications for policy updates. Users frequently highlight the clean interface and straightforward navigation, making insurance management less stressful. On the con side, some users experience slow load times or glitches when submitting claims. The app's advanced features, such as premium savings, suggestions, or detailed analytics, are limited. Offline functionality is minimal, which can be inconvenient in areas with poor connectivity. In conclusion, the Farmers Auto Insurance app is perfect for policyholders who want convenience, real-time claim tracking, and accessible roadside support. While it may not satisfy users seeking advanced analytics, it delivers an efficient, reliable, and easy-to-use mobile insurance experience.